Okay. The R18, I've been waiting about 4 weeks for parts, and I'm getting impatient, so I took this extra ignition module I had and put a Hall sensor that would fit on the R18 in it, and now I'm gonna try it out with this. And this yellow module, if you've got an engine with one of these yellow modules, some of these are really hot, and this is one of the very hot yellow modules, so I'm kind of excited for how this is going to work, but that's right. We'll see. I did check it for spark and everything, so okay. Oh, I need to shut that down so it doesn't take off. I didn't realize I had that so far open. All right, now we'll see. There we go. Tip a bit of water into our cooling hopper. Nope. Alright, I'm going to have to find a spot to set this so it doesn't vibrate as much, but I think it'll run for a while now.